Could humans live to 150 in future? Thanks to AI, the dream of extending life is becoming reality. In this video, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing aging research and what it means for humanity's future. Get ready for mind-blowing predictions that could change everything. Aging is the leading cause of diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. But what if we could slow or even reverse aging? AI is unlocking the secrets of longevity, and the results could change everything we know about life. Let's dive into the science behind it. AI is already transforming healthcare. From diagnosing diseases to predicting patient outcomes, AI is faster and more accurate than humans. But its potential goes beyond treatment. It could help us prevent aging altogether. Imagine a world where aging is optional. How close are we to that future? One key to longevity is cellular repair. AI is analyzing billions of data points to understand how cells age. By identifying repair mechanisms, AI could help us rejuvenate cells and extend our lifespans dramatically. This breakthrough could make living to 150 a reality. AI is also revolutionizing genetic engineering. By editing genes, scientists can eliminate diseases and enhance longevity. AI accelerates this process, making what once took years possible in months or even weeks. Could gene editing be the key to living longer, healthier lives? Developing new drugs is slow and expensive. AI changes that by predicting which compounds will work best. This could lead to anti-aging drugs that keep us healthier for longer, maybe even decades longer. The future of medicine is here, and AI is leading the way. Imagine tiny robots in your bloodstream, repairing damage at the cellular level. AI-powered nanobots could make this a reality by 2100, constantly maintaining our bodies and preventing aging-related breakdowns. This sci-fi idea might soon be part of our everyday lives. Aging affects the brain, leading to memory loss and cognitive decline. AI is developing treatments to protect and even enhance brain function, potentially keeping our minds sharp well into our 100s. Could AI help us stay mentally young forever? AI thrives on data. By analyzing millions of health records, AI can identify patterns and predict how to slow aging. This data-driven approach is key to unlocking the secrets of longevity. The more data we collect, the closer we get to living longer lives. No two people age the same way. AI can create personalized anti-aging plans based on your genetics, lifestyle, and health history. This tailored approach could make living to 150 a reality for many. Imagine a future where aging is customized just for you. AI doesn't just work in labs, it's in our homes too. From fitness trackers to diet apps, AI helps us make healthier choices. These small changes could add years or even decades to our lives. The future of aging might start with your smartphone. Scientists predict the first person to live to 150 is already alive today. With AI's help, this milestone could be reached by 2100. But what would a 150-year life look like? Let's explore the possibilities and the challenges of living longer than ever before. Living longer isn't without challenges. Overpopulation, resource scarcity, and social inequality could arise. AI will need to address these issues to ensure a future where everyone benefits from extended lifespans. Balancing progress with responsibility will be key. Should we live to 150? What about overpopulation or unequal access to life-extending tech? AI raises tough ethical questions that society must answer as we push the boundaries of human life. The future of aging isn't just about science, it's about values. If we live to 150, retirement at 65 won't make sense. AI could help redesign work and education systems, allowing us to learn new skills and stay productive for over a century. The future of work might look very different and much longer. Life-extending treatments could be expensive. Will only the wealthy live to 150? AI could help reduce costs, but ensuring equitable access will be one of the biggest challenges of the 22nd century. The future of aging must be fair for everyone. Living longer means relationships could span over a century. AI might help us adapt, from matchmaking algorithms to tools that strengthen emotional bonds over decades. But will love change in a 150-year life? The future of relationships is full of possibilities. Governments will play a key role in regulating AI and longevity tech. Policies on healthcare, retirement, and ethics will shape how we live and how long we live in the future. The decisions we make today will define the next century. Longer lives mean more strain on the planet. AI could help by optimizing resource use and developing sustainable technologies. Balancing longevity with environmental health will be critical. The future of aging must also be the future of sustainability. If we live to 150, will death become optional? AI could blur the line between life and death, raising profound questions about what it means to be human. The future of aging might challenge our very understanding of life itself. Could AI help us transfer our consciousness into machines? This sci-fi idea might become reality, allowing us to live indefinitely. But is this truly immortality or something else entirely? The future of aging might redefine what it means to exist. As AI reshapes aging, ethical guidelines will be crucial. Who decides how far we go? AI ethicists are already working to ensure these technologies benefit humanity without unintended consequences. The future of aging must be guided by wisdom, not just innovation. Living longer could impact mental health. AI could provide therapy, monitor emotional well-being, and even predict mental health issues before they arise, ensuring a high quality of life at any age. The future of aging is about more than just living longer. It's about living better. With lifespans extending, families could span 6 or 7 generations. AI might help us stay connected, but it could also challenge traditional family structures in ways we can't yet imagine. The future of family life might look very different and much longer. Careers could last 100 years or more. AI could help us continuously learn and adapt, ensuring we stay relevant in a rapidly changing world. But will work still define us in the same way? The future of work might be longer and more flexible than ever. Some scientists believe immortality is possible. While living forever remains speculative, AI could bring us closer than ever. But is eternal life a dream or a nightmare? The future of aging might challenge our very understanding of what it means to live. Longer lives will reshape society. From education to healthcare, AI will play a central role in adapting to a world where 150-year lifespans are the norm. Are we ready for this future? The decisions we make today will shape the next century. While AI holds incredible promise, it's not a magic solution. Ethical, technical, and societal challenges remain. Balancing innovation with caution will be key to a future where we live longer and better. The future of aging is full of potential and questions. The future of aging is here, and AI is leading the charge. From curing diseases to extending lifespans, the possibilities are endless. But the biggest question remains: how far should we go? The future of aging is about more than science. It's about humanity. What do you think? Could humans live to 150 by 2100? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind-blowing predictions about AI and the future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.